Welcome back to Dream Home Talk. Today, we're exploring one of the hottest interior design trends for 2024, rustic modern decor. This trend combines the cozy warmth of rustic elements with the sleek elegance of modern design, creating a stylish and inviting living space. Ready to transform your living space? Let's get started. We'll explore how to incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and metal, select a neutral color palette, choose minimalist furniture, and add texture and layers for depth and interest. Stay tuned for tips and inspiration to help you achieve the perfect rustic modern look in your home. Rustic modern living room ideas. Transform your living room with these rustic modern decor ideas. Statement fireplace. Make your fireplace a focal point with a reclaimed wood mantel and stone surround. Cozy seating. Opt for a large, comfortable sofa in a neutral color and layer it with plush throw pillows and blankets. Industrial lighting. Choose metal pendant lights or a chandelier to add an industrial touch. Natural rugs. Use jute or wool rugs to add warmth and texture to your floor. Rustic modern kitchen inspiration. Create a stylish and functional kitchen with these tips. Open shelving. Use open wood shelves to display your dishes and add a rustic touch. Modern appliances. Balance the rustic elements with sleek, stainless steel appliances. Wooden countertops. Install butcher block countertops for a warm, rustic look. Farmhouse sink. A large white farmhouse sink adds a classic rustic element to your kitchen. Bedroom makeover. Rustic modern style. Turn your bedroom into a serene retreat with these ideas. Wooden headboard. Choose a bed with a reclaimed wood headboard for a rustic touch. Soft textiles. Layer your bed with linen sheets, wool blankets, and fur throws for a cozy feel. Modern nightstands. Pair your rustic bed with sleek modern nightstands. Nature-inspired decor. Add plants, nature-inspired artwork, and wooden accents to complete the look. DIY rustic modern decor projects. Get creative with these DIY projects. Palette coffee table. Build a coffee table from reclaimed pallets for a unique and rustic piece. Stone accent wall. Create a stone accent wall using faux stone panels for an easy and affordable update. Rustic shelves. Make your own floating shelves from reclaimed wood to add storage and style to any room. Custom light fixtures. Craft your own industrial-style light fixtures using pipes and Edison bulbs. Thank you for watching. We hope you're inspired to transform your living space with rustic modern decor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design ideas. See you in the next video on Dream Home Talk.